I wish I can do that. I know you wish you can do that as well. Anyway guys, welcome to Curly FPV's training vlog. As promised from the previous two content, I'll be doing a comparison between the iFlight Xing 2 1404 4600 kV motors and the Flash motors from FlyFishRC, the 1404 4500 kV motors. There's only about 100 kV difference. Alright, as a beginner, I do not know about all the technical stuff, but what I like about the Flash motor is the finishing. I think it just looked so damn nice, especially with the matte finish. And from what I felt, I think it is also lighter than the iFlight Xing 2 motors. But one thing I'm really worried is about the motor wires. It's actually a little bit thinner than the iFlight Xing 2 motors, but the stat really makes any difference, I do not know. And also another thing that I like about the Flash motors is they have this protector for the motor wires. I've actually lost the iFlight Xing 2 motors before, not one, but two of it. I think the motor base just bent towards the motor wire. So yeah, I am just a beginner who is trying to enjoy this FPV journey of mine. So any product that I'm testing or I'm reviewing is all based on my personal feeling towards that particular product. Anything too technical, I don't think I'm in any position to help anyone out. But if you like content which is coming from a beginner's perspective, then I welcome you to continue and follow my journey in this FPV world. Also, please subscribe to this channel, and while you're at it, please do leave a comment and drop me a hi. I will reply to every single one of you. So, 감사합니다, terima kasih, thank you, 谢谢你们 for supporting this channel, especially my 157 subscribers so far. Hopefully after this content you hit 160 at least. Anyway, let's head to the park. Oh yeah, I finally found the new location. I've been flying that old park for so damn long and I'm getting a little bit bored with it. Every day it's just the same line and with the same trick that I've learned. So far none of it is perfect. So let's go and test this new motors out, and then from there I will tell you guys how I feel about these new motors. Let's go. Alright guys, we are here for the second time at this new location. Why am I saying second time? Is because yesterday when I was here, shit happens. The weather was so freaking hot. The sun is scorching hot, my friend. The goggles battery got overheated. That was the first time I saw such warning sign before. And then the left screen totally blacked out. Oh shit, what the hell? That was something new to me. So I restarted the goggles and everything was well. Today we are here again to redo the whole test and then share with you guys what I feel about the Flash motors compared to the iFlight Xing 2 motors. So let's not wait further because there's limited time today. We will just fly immediately, and right after that I'll let you guys know my feeling towards the new Flash motors. Let's go for the Trippy. Yannick, this is for you, my friend.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change. Play the game that we say. I need a break.
To charge them and see if it works. But oh shit, 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 shit. Scary.
Keep dreaming. face on when I chase like that. Yeah, I play so strong with a knife in the back. I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise, you can hate on that. I don't play both sides, doing me no cap. I'ma ride or die for my dreams on tap. I'ma fly real high, you ain't see me slack. No, it's not how you fall, it's how you get right back up. That's how you get tough. Calluses on my hands so rough. Yeah, I call you.
Alright guys, end of session. I broke another arm. FPV is just so damn expensive. Anyway, if you ask me, is this an upgrade or is it a downgrade compared to the iFlight Xing 2 motors on this VX3? I will say it is neither here or there. After this morning session, I felt that it is actually the same. Why am I saying that it has lesser torque yesterday? Disappointingly, I will say that this is actually a downgrade because I do not feel that much of a torque coming from the Flash motors itself. Most probably, I was flying the 5-inch quad, the VX5, for the past 2 weeks without touching the 3-inch. So I was actually comparing it with the 5-inch instead of what a 3-inch can do. Yeah, and it was wrong, right? So, after this morning session, I think it is similar, but the one thing I like or I prefer the Flash motors over the iFlight Xing 2 motors is the overall build quality and also the finishing of the product, like I've said earlier. I think it just looked so damn nice, especially with the matte finish. So yeah, I will still be flying the Flash motors on the VX3 after I fix this, of course. And I think I should learn how to tune my own quad. Yeah, because I find that every single time I execute a trick and I try to recover from that trick, the quad is very wobbly. So is it because of the tune or is it because of my skill? Aha! 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 Most probably my skill, right? Anyway, thank you guys for joining me today and I hope you have enjoyed the content. And also, please remember to subscribe to the channel. I will appreciate it a lot, and also turn on the notification bell for future content. I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you. Bye-bye.